Hi guys, today we are having video that the games that I have since 2020 and from 2021 to 2022. I have three games, but today I will show two games of them. Now you are seeing the games. First game called Rufan Sarıglı Studio 007. Yes, I gave my studio's name. This is FPS game that I make in Unity. This is very hard game. I haven't seen that someone finished till the 50s enemies. It's very hard, I'm saying to you. You are killing the bots, then you are taking their health bot. Now I showed you that he died. At the top of that there is and now controls. This game is for game pads and for controls. This is also for mobile and for mobile Xbox and computer games. As you see now, it's zooming in and zooming out. This game, this weapon called Fireballer, and when you finish the game, new weapons come to you. Now I take the health and I'm killing another bot. This is called bot, and the big one's called turrets. He's killing now. Let's kill the next one and next one. For more like this type of funny videos, please subscribe and like our channel. I will know that you like this type of videos, and I will bring a lot of this type of videos. The upper part we have rudder. You can see the enemies in their enemy boss and turrets. Now I will kill the one turret. I see, yeah, there's turret one. Kill one turret, yeah, and now I need to kill the bot. I kill the bot, then turret. Kill turrets. I am killing the turrets. I killed it already. Another turret. I am killing it. I killed it. Then we have a lot of bots in there. We are killing our bots. I killed the bot. I am killing this bot. I killed this bot. I am killing this one. I am taking the health boots. Then I am killing this one. I killed. And I am killing another boot. And we have another big boots in here. Yeah, two boots. We are killing it. Another one. Kill, 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 kill. Yay! Now I'm killing another boot. Yes. Another one. Kill it. We have killed. Yeah, this is my FPS game, Rufan Sarıglı Studios. As you see now, I will show this screen menu. You will see we have a very good menu. Our part is very good. Everything is excellent in this game. But also this game is my first game. Now you will see the map, all map. Yes, you see. Bye. Have a good day. It was my first game. And second game now it's coming. This game called Rush with Rufan 2D. Yes, it's a Paco game. I think that everybody was playing in that time. It was actually February of 2022. And everybody were playing Super Mario, and I see that they like Paco games, so I made a Paco game. Yeah, they're playing. No, I died. Oh my god! And I made a lot of things in there, like cactus, archway, then everything. Like this head, mosaic head, then archways, like these things. Then the great thing is the bots. You need to kill them. If you can't kill, they are killing yourself. And we have boot system now, new. We have Mr. Alien. Then you are need to take the all golds. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, I died. No, no way. Yes, we are going again, again and again. We died in here. Oh my god. This game plays with home, pine up, pine down, and end buttons. It can't play with WASD buttons. And in the windscreen, you are going. This game is about two chapters. First chapter and second chapter. First chapter is nighttime. As you see, second chapter is all time, daytime but old one. At the end, you will see that it finished. It will finish. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for watching.